We have been manually writing skill.md file for a really long time for our AI agents. Now is the time when you can screen record your work and Claude will basically take care of the skill markdown file. It will see how you completed your work and based on that, it will create the skill markdown file for you. So let's see that in action today. So right now I'm on the Claude desktop application and what you see is that there are two options, chat and cowork. So your recorder skill will be available in a cowork and you can click on recorder skill. So what it says is that your screen, clicks, typing and voice are recorded, then sent to Claude and turned into a repeatable skill, right? So just be sure that you don't type in passwords, secrets, or any sensitive information that you feel is not appropriate for a private conversation, right? So try avoiding that, but otherwise it's a good thing to, have reusable skills just by, recording your work. Right now, I'm also using Opus 5. So this is kind of a new model that is released by Claude, and we'll test this out as well. So let me share you what exactly I'm going to do with this recorder skill. So what I'll do is basically ask Claude that, hey Claude, can you, read through the whole blog page and you can provide me top 5 vegetarian dish items that are available on this blog page and add it to the sheet. So this will specifically help me to save on time and not go through the whole blog first of all. And easily Claude will be able to identify what all vegetarian dishes are available and it will just list it down here in the proper format. So this will be a reusable skill that I can use across multiple blog pages. Let's say if I go to a different blog page in future, I can use that same skill and get the data inputted into the sheet. So maybe on a weekend, I can probably go through this list and try to understand which dish will suit me based on the blogs that Claude has read for me. So now let's head over to Claude and I'll record my skill. Hey Claude, what I want you to do is that this is a page where a lot of recipes are listed down and you can see the list is endless, right? As of now, it's impossible for me to go through the whole list. So what I want you to do is that you will basically go through this whole blog and you need to find me top 5 vegetarian recipes that are available in this whole blog and you will note it down here. Like you will write the name of the dish, you'll write the description, you'll write the number of calories that are there, and what is the total cost of making that dish. So you will input it here, and after giving me top 5 results, you can stop your work. So this is the only ask from me, and you can proceed with the task. So basically, what you can see is that Claude has started, working on the skill. You can now see that it has written the skill, which says that scrape a recipe roundup blog, listing page, pick up the top N recipes matching a diet filter, vegetarian, vegan, gluten free, and append name, description, calories, and estimated cost in Google Sheets. So this was the basic idea what I wanted to add as a skill. So it has added that here. And you can see it will read the listing page, filter by diet, rank and pick up the top and pull calories and cost per recipe. And then finally it will write to the sheet, which is the basic idea what I wanted to get done. Right. So it will use the Compose MCP, which is extra, but I said that you can use the normal Claude and Chrome extension with Sheet so that you can add the data. Yeah. What you will see is that Claude has taken over this whole sheet. You can see that the task is taking place and it has started adding the details, right? So it automatically added this vegetable broth and it first made a mistake. Now let's see if it is able to fix this. See, so you see it added it automatically where it added broccoli soup and its description, what are the estimated calories and then cost. You can see it automatically added the other things as well, right? There were lentil soup, mindstone soup, right? So it was able to add that. Come to my Claude, what you will see is that it used Claude in Chrome actions, it updated tasks and loaded tools. So it ran multiple scripts, it navigated to my sheet, it captured the page, found the tools, it batched all the so what it did was that it typed out all the items that were there in the list and it processed everything in batches. Like it's not a bulk action that it ever took, so that does not overwhelm the sheet. And it took actions in batches. See that it has completed the task, and now it will probably stop. So you see a check mark here as well that it says that recorded demonstration food recipe in Google Sheet is complete. Right. Now you can see it is saving the skill as well, so that in when I have some future use case, it will be able to do this task again. So I can save the skill as well. So as of now, I'll just cancel it and just stop the session. So this was a basic idea that I wanted to share with you all, that how you can record a skill and use it as a reusable capability for your AI agent. Instead of writing all the things every time, it's better we can record and share it with AI, and AI will basically write the proper skill for you. So this often saves time, but it also comes with its own drawbacks sometimes, that it might be pertaining to a specific use case, or you have some sensitive information that you don't want to record or share. So those are the kind of trade-offs that are there. Otherwise, you can definitely use this in your day-to-day work, and it will be quite helpful. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.